Good afternoon, my dear students. Welcome to class 8 geography online class. So, today we are going to discuss the continuation of last class. The lesson name is hydrological cycle. Second one cycle is condensation. Okay, today we are going to discuss the condensation and forms of condensation. Okay, these are the two topics we are discussed today class. Okay, so condensation is the second one cycle of hydrology. Okay, so that means water cycle. Second water cycle is a condensation. So what is means by condensation means the process the gaseous forms of water changes into the liquid form. Okay, that is also called as a condensation. Okay, so what is this? The process. What is the process means? The gaseous from the water changes into liquid. Okay, so liquid form. Okay, yeah, that is also called as a condensation. Okay, so that is in already we are told so the first one is the three stages of. Okay, so that is also having in water. Okay, solid, gaseous, and after that the liquid. Okay, the three forms also having in water. And okay, so the changes of gaseous. Okay, so that means that the evaporation stage, that is a gaseous stage, the gaseous forms that changes into liquid form. Okay, that is also called as a, that is a process is also known as a condensation. So condensation generally occur in the atmosphere. Okay, so where is occur in the condensation means atmosphere. Okay, so how it happen means so when the warm air. Okay, so what is this warm air cools and losses its capacity. Okay, so that is a, that means that the evaporate. Okay, in the on the process of evaporation, the that means that the water is boiled means that is a warm air. Okay, the warm air reach the atmosphere, and after that that air is cool once again. Okay, so on the time, okay, the warm air cool means what it happen means the losses the holding capacity of water power. Okay, so what is having means hold. Okay, so what is losses means the hold of water vapor. Okay, that the capacity is losses on the atmosphere. That is why, so what is happen means that is that's resulted. Okay, so the water vapor condensed. Okay, so what is happen means condensed from that the cloud. Okay, so that is a droplet also having that. Okay, these are the process is also known as a condensation. The condensation is responsible in the formation of clouds. Okay, so why this means that is a, the clouds hold lot of water vapor. So and after that, so condensation, that is a, okay, responsible for the formation of clouds. These clouds produce the precipitation. Okay, precipitation means the droplet of water. Okay, so the routine of water return to the earth's surface in the water cycle. Condensation is the opposite of evaporation. Okay, condensation is the opposite of okay, evaporation. So that is called as a condensation. So shall we move to the next one, the forms of condensation. Okay, so what are the forms having in a condensation? What is the forms means the dew form and fog and cloud. Okay, so these are the three major forms of condensation. Okay, so what are the three major forms of condensation means dew form and fog form and cloud form. Okay, so these are the things we are discussed one by one in later. Okay, so the first one form is a dew form. Okay, what is the first one form? Dew form. So dew is a water droplet formed by the condensation of water vapor. Okay, so what is means by dew means dew means the water droplet. Okay, so the condensation, the formation of condensation, okay, of the water vapor. Okay, so that is also called as a dew. That is relatively that the cold surface of an object. Okay, so the dew is the okay. So what is an object means? That is a that the surface, earth surface having a coldly having the, so is it is an object, and forms when the temperature of an object drops below the dew point temperature. Okay, yeah. So that is a dew point means that is a that the minus. Okay, so low dew means here low temperature, that is also happened there. Okay, so when the earth surface having a high temperature means so when the flowing of the droplet of water blowing from the atmosphere means so the temperature of earth degrees is having there. Okay, so that is also called as a dew point temperature. Okay, uh, dew point temperature. Next one, uh, we are move to the next one topic. So that the frost, the ice crystal form deposition of water vapor on relatively cold surface. Okay, yeah. So those are also okay. So in the which one surface means a cold surface. So the ice, okay, yeah, crystal form of deposition. Ice crystal means that is a crystal means a solid. Okay, so that the solid form of deposition of water vapor, so that the cold surface, that is object is known as a what is this a frost. It forms when the temperature of an object, okay, drops below. Okay, so what is the temperature means freezing point of temperature. Okay, so that is means minus, okay, 30 degrees celsius, that is the that is level of temperature is decreased. Okay, so that is called as a what is this a frost. And next one is a fog. Okay, so fog is an suspended tiny water droplet. Okay, a tiny means that is a okay, so that is tinny means that is a very small droplet eye crystal of air layer next to that the earth surface reduce the visibility. Okay, so what is the visible means okay, 1,000 meter or lower. Okay, so that the aviation purpose that the okay, criterion for fog is 10 kilometer or less. Okay, so that is why, okay, so having that the fog. Okay, so that the that is one of the okay, so that is a suspended droplet of eye crystalline in the air. Okay, so where is having means next to that the earth surface. Okay, and next so that reduce the visibility. Okay, so that is that means that the earth surface, above the earth surface 100,000 meters, okay, above there having, okay, so what does this means that fog so that is one of the hair layer. Okay, so that the 1,000 meter above the earth means that is a lot of the layers also having in the earth. So that is one of the earth layer. So on this layer okay, so creating that the fog. Okay, next one is uh, next one, so that fog. Okay, so 10 kilometer. Okay, so below that. Okay, so that is a the aviation means that is a aeroplane. Okay, so those are also helicopter, so those also okay are going purpose. That is why the fog created less than 10 kilometer of the aviation. Okay, so next one we want to discuss the mist. Okay, so mist is also that is a tiny droplet of water. So that is how, what is the differentiate the two. Okay, fog and mist means so fog also tiny water droplet, but so that is that the mist is hanging in the air also. Okay, so but okay, so fog is ice crystals in the air layer. Okay, so that is a difference between a fog and a mist. So in the air rapidly cooled and causing changing the invisible gas tiny visible water droplet. Okay, so that is the gas. Okay, so that is alternately the changing the visible of water droplet, that is also called as a mist. Okay, so that is a mist is also called as a okay, less dense than fog. Okay, next one is a cloud. So the cloud consists of tiny water droplet. That means that is the ice particles which are so small, light in weight. Okay. So the cloud are formed by the a microscopic drop of water or small ice crystals. Okay. The size of droplet generally range from the couple of microns to 100 microns. This is a limit beyond which the cloud droplet become a raindrop. Okay, so students, today class we are discussed so that is only one topic, condensation and the forms of condensation. Okay, so that the I we are clear about the condensation, and next one is forms of condensation. So that is a form, there are a few many forms also having there. Okay, dew, fog and clouds, these are the three major forms of condensation. And other forms also having the dew. Okay, so and after that the mist, and after that the frost, these also other forms of. So that the what are the forms means a dew, and next one is a frost and fog, mist and clouds. Okay, yeah, so these are the forms of condensation. So that is a condensation occurred then the air get statutory means that is a high level of air. Okay, so that means that is holding a highly contained moisture. Okay, so that is also called as a statutory. And warm air can hold more water vapor. Okay, so then the cold air. Okay, warm air only are holding a more water vapor. So that the cold air means that is a that water vapor got losses, that is also having that. And after that the statutory saturation occur when the temperature drop down. Okay, yeah, so that is also having that. Okay, students, today we are discussed so that condensation and its forms of condensation. So you clear, I hope that you are understood the topic. So if you have any doubt means ask immediately. And so thank you, thanks for watching, thank you one and all.